Okay, since I will be gone this week because I've been sick, I want you to watch this video. Now, what you're supposed to do is not drive me crazy with silly messages, Ace, so that you can get muted again, but you are supposed to be working in here. Now, you have an assignment, and if you have a valid question, you can ask me in this conversation. That's what this is for. You are going to go to your assignments. When you click on assignments, or you could click on it from there, you click on this. There are two things that you have to do. Complete the 2 worksheets online. For each word, write a definition and find a picture to paste in the box. If you click on the box, push Insert Online Picture, and you can do a Bing search, and it will automatically fit directly into the box. So what you're going to do is kind of scroll down, and the one that I'm talking about would be this one here. So when this one comes up, it looks like this. And you have a word window. It's going to already say edit in Word for you. That's what you want because this is the online version. You cannot do it in the if you click on this, it'll go to the part on the computer, and we don't have that. So this is the online version. It's automatically set up. It even named it for you, so you don't even have to worry about that. It's done that for you because I've set it up. So what I'm talking about is when we go to pictures like this, and we say, well, what is the menu ribbon? This is when you give permission to Google, but I want to show you the picture part first. So we're inside the table here, and we go to Picture. If you go to Insert, and you see this button that says Online Pictures. When you click on Online Pictures, and it searches Bing. So we want to search for the menu ribbon. And it already says Creative Commons only. This means that this is dealing with things that have a copyright, but the copyright has been given permission to you. So a menu ribbon, what we're talking about is this up here. It is literally a ribbon up at across the top, and it's the menu. And so you can pick any picture that you feel like is appropriate. These right here make really good ones. This one looks like it's going to kind of fit for us. So I'm going to choose this one. So I've clicked on it, and then I go to Insert. And as you can see, it automatically puts it in there. From there, I can still do a Google search or a Bing search, either one you want to do, to find your definition. Now, I don't want just cut and paste. I know some of you probably cut and pasted today, but let's get them in your own words. Pay attention to it. For some of these things, you can create a better definition. Rulers. I don't want that it is a device used to measure. I need it how rulers apply to your Word document. That's what we're talking about. So I want you to be careful with that, and I want you to fix that. So that is how you get those pictures on there. Notice I deleted my picture. All I did was click on it. While those little white dots were still up there, I hit the delete, and it's gone. And so that's how that is done. So I'm going to close it because I don't want those changes on it for you. So I'm going to scroll down and so I've scrolled down a little bit, and you can see the word formatting notes. Now this is the one we started talking about the other day, and we were working on it kind of together. And so to fill in the blanks, when you go to do this, when you start typing in these spots, it's going to move things over. So to show significance in your writing, and this word right here is important because significance in our writing, significance means we want it to stand out. So to show significance in your writing, you can enhance the text by blank, which makes the text thicker and darker. Now you know it's going to be an option up here, and you're not going to tell me it's just going to be the big B, but if you hold your cursor over the big B, you can see what the word stands for, and that's bold. So when I go to type it in, it moves things over. Well, you can adjust or leave it the way it is, but you can see how that works. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you can see that the words are in alphabetical order down here. Now, how do you know that you've used it? Well, you could change the font or the color. You can hit the strike through. There's lots of things that you could do to do this. And so these are the ones that I want you to finish up for me by tomorrow. Now, on Thursday, now I still can't come to school yet, but on Thursday we will go through this again. Remember, if you have any questions while you're working on this, you can ask me the questions and I will be able to answer them for you as I did today. Please don't waste my time. Please don't be silly. Keep your questions appropriate for class and appropriate for the lessons. And I will see you next Monday, but we will talk again later in the week.